Here's a new 2019 Jeep Cherokee. Freedom and adventure await in this sophisticated and versatile Cherokee. And it comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated steering wheel, configurable instrument gauges, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com reveals the 2016 Cherokee can deliver plenty of off-roading capability, but the bigger story is that it's civilized and comfortable enough to drive to work every day. Experience the Jeep life. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.